Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Tesla Model Y with a key card. First, ensure your key card is with you. To begin, simply place the key card on the console's reader, which is located behind the cup holders. You'll hear a chime, and the car's systems will power up, indicating it's ready for the next step. Once the car is powered on, the next step is to engage the drive system. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, simply shift the gear selector into either drive or reverse. The car is now fully operational and ready for your journey. This straightforward process ensures you can quickly and easily get on the road, making your driving experience seamless and efficient. To ensure a smooth experience, remember a few key card tips. Always keep your key card in a safe and secure place, perhaps in your wallet. It's also a good idea to carry a backup key card, just in case. Finally, avoid bending or damaging the card, as this could affect its functionality and prevent it from working correctly. If your Model Y doesn't start immediately, try repositioning the key card on the console reader. Sometimes a slight adjustment is all that's needed. As an excellent alternative, you can always use the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone to unlock and start your vehicle. For any persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact Tesla service for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.